how to create an event on Facebook. So if you want to create an event on Facebook, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from the 3 horizontal lines, you need to just go with see more. And here you may find event option. You need to tap on event. And here you need to go with plus, which is on the top right, in order to create an event. And now you need to give a name, event name. And you can also upload event photo. You can go with gallery or you can go with upload in order to add a photo, and then go with start date and time. And you can also add the end time or repeat the event if you want to. And if it is in person, then you can go with person or virtual. You can select that. And here you need to enter the meeting details. After entering the meeting details, you need to just go with your event. If you want to market your event, you can go with it. Or if you want to add co-host or communication settings or add tickets, you will have all of the options right here. And after that, you need to tap on create event and your event will be created. That's how you can create an event on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.